Hi guys and girls, today we are finding the short side, okay, and then giving us a little bit of a leg up by setting out the problem for us. This is to practice setting out the problem the way they want us to do it, so that when we come to setting out the problem, we know what it looks like and we're ready to go. Okay, so with Pythagoras' theorem, we've been using a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Okay, in order to find the short side, we need to change that a little bit. Okay, so if a squared plus b squared equals c squared, well, if I add two things together to get the big thing, I can have the big thing, c squared, take away b squared equals a squared, or a squared equals b squared take away. Sorry, a squared equals c squared take away b squared. Now that looks hard, and it is hard a little bit. Okay, but just think about it. Okay, if square of little plus square of little equals square of big, then square of big take away square of little equals square of other little, or square of other little take away equals square of big take away square of little. Okay, it looks complex in the writing, and I wish I could find a simpler way to write it. In fact, I'll have a go. Okay, just think that if square of big, or sorry, little squared, plus little squared equals big squared, then little squared will equal big squared take little. Okay, and just think about it with an example. We've done the 3, 4, 5 triangle before. If 3 squared plus 4 squared equals 5 squared, then three squared will equal 5 squared take away 4 squared. It's just changing it to a takeaway. Okay, with these ones, we've got to work out, first of all, okay, it's big side equals middle side plus little side squared. So big side squared is 10 squared. I think that's what they want there. Okay, then you've got b squared equals 10 squared, because that's the one that's missing. Okay, now I've got 10 squared minus 8 squared. 10 squared is 100, minus 8 squared, which is 64, equals 36. Pardon me. And then b squared equals 36. So we square root both sides. That's what they've done next. And b equals 6. 36 square rooted. Therefore, b equals 6. Okay, and we're done. Hopefully that was helpful. Give these a go. Okay, if the formatting is a little bit hard, some people really hate this sort of filling in the boxes and just want to go from start to go themselves. If you like that, just skip to the next one and we'll go through how to find the short side by itself. If you're happy with this, give it a go. Okay, it does benefit some people just to put the missing bits into a puzzle. Okay, bye guys and girls.